So, me and my friend Cody. Oh,
sorry, I've literally, I was like, oh, she blocks out the sound, but then I realised you're speaking, so you've not.
I've not blocked out the sound this time.
Don't worry.
No, it's all right.
No, I don't mind you getting in from behind today.
Okay. So for
stood in a fucking puddle.
So for everyone that's watched a video and heard me mention Cody, this is her feet and legs. Just so you know that she does exist and I'm not making her up. That is her, and we've just randomly decided to come to a random beach that we've never been to before. And it's dark, so we're just using torches to sort of, but we came because Cody was picking something up from someone that lives like on the outskirts of Wales, or kind of like just in it, and then we thought, oh well, I wonder if we're near any beaches, so we've come to the one that was closest to where the fella lived. And the thing is, nothing's really showing up on the camera, I'm sorry, so I can't show you properly, but it's so strange to be here at night. Like, there's no one here. We can hear like sounds of birds and stuff, and it's pretty, like, and it's different to be here at night, but it's just a bit, it's turned into, one of them really random evenings. Oh, look at them footprints. Ah, are you on sand?
No, no.
Oh, I've missed the path. Oh, Cody's found the path and I've completely missed it. Oh, there it is. Oh, fabulous. Because, as much as I love sand and water and everything, I've not got the right attire on for it. Yay. We're on a pathway now. Oh, that's so much easier. Oh, yay. But yeah, welcome to a new video. This is going to be a very random start to one, but welcome to our random nighttime trip to a beach we've never been before, as you do. On our walk back to the car, on our random beach nighttime walk, we found like these footprints that are in the like pier thing that goes out. We just thought that looked a little bit creepy. I wonder why they're there in rock. But yeah,